Yo, what up, YouTube, man? Oodie Oo back again with another video, you know what I'm saying? Probably looking like I'm wearing the same clothes from the last video, but it's all good because I didn't plan on doing this video until I realized it was raining and I had enough to do. So I was like, and I never did. And I always wanted to do the trans fluid, but I kept procrastinating. So today, we're gonna be doing the trans fluid as title of the video. Call this series the daily series. I don't know if you guys have been seeing that in the videos or whatever. So this is episode 5, 6, something like that. But as far as it goes, we're gonna be changing the trans fluid on an Infiniti i30, i35, the Nissan Maxima 2000 to 2000, about 2, 3-ish. But most of the cars are all the same. Drain it out and just fill it back up. It's pretty simple, it's like oil change. But I'm basically showing you guys so you guys know what plug to unscrew and where to fill it back up if you guys are confused. So hit the subscribe button for me. Thank you. Let's get into this video. Oil pan is right here. I'm in the transmission oil pan. Transmission fluid pan is right here. And so basically, them screws, you guys can see it. Right there. It's gonna crack that puppy open, let it leak out. And just basically let it drain. Actually, I'm not even gonna jack up the car. I don't even need to jack up the car. Cause I put these freaking 20s on here. I don't know if you guys can see. There's freaking 20s up here, so it raises up the car. So I don't even have to jack up the car. We're just gonna do it like that. Take your 19 and basically just crack. Actually, you gotta want to get the drain container first. Your 19. Freaking break that bad boy loose. I know I should really get a short one, but I already had this one right here laying next to me. Right, crack that puppy loose. One thing I would like to mention is to keep the crush washer that is on the nut, to reuse it. Pretty dark. Okay, let that drain out. It's just dark. Probably the OEM fluid, but it is what it is. But the thing I was talking about earlier was to make sure you keep this little, what do you call it? Crush washer down there. Make sure that comes with it. As far as this goes, I read on the forums that it'll shift better and everything, cause like sometimes when my car's cold, it hard shift. Like I'll come to a stop, and like boom, it'll go boom, and then it'll go. My buddy Luis's Infiniti does the same thing, so I don't know if it's an Infiniti thing with their auto transmissions or what, but yeah. So and then I always want to change the fluid for that reason. We're gonna find out if it's gonna help or not. So we let that drain. Obviously, put the screw back like an oil change, and then we're gonna move to the top. Let me throw this bolt back in, and then we're gonna move to the top. Okay, so basically, like on any other car, this would be your transmission stick in this car. Oil's over here. Oil's that one. This will be transmission. So basically, this is like where you check the level and where you're gonna fill it at. So let me put you guys down 1 second. It has nothing on it because it's draining. Set this to the side. Let's set this over here, actually. And I'll get a funnel that'll fit in here. I got like one of these tapered ones. The extended lane, large engine funnel, whatever. It was only $1 at Walmart. And it actually fits perfect, like perfect for that. So that all works out, and the fluid I'm going to be running is the recommended fluid I found on online. Was the Valvoline Maxi Full Synthetic. The actual one was the Dectron VI. That was the exact one that was recommended for this car. But supposedly this one's like for like a lot of different cars, like BMWs and everything. So hey, just check, see what it needs. And this was about what, like 13 bucks right now? So it's pretty cheap to do. No filter, because we're not taking off the whole transmission pan. Nobody doing all that. Just this. And then it takes like, they say mostly on the forums it says 4 to 4.5. basically fill it up and see where it's at. If it needs more, I just buy another one or try to see if I can find just 1 quart or whatever to just top it off. All right, so like I said earlier, I'm just gonna dump the whole thing. Oh, that's really cool. How it has the Valvoline logo on the actual, like under the cap. It's pretty sick. I like that. Stick the funnel into the fill. The check, the dipstick, the transmission dipstick, and just basically fill it back up. So we're just gonna drop all of it. Dang, looking at like this fresh fluid compared to stuff that came out, it's like, this stuff's like really red, like cherry red. And what came out, had like dirt, obviously. Google strawberry syrup, and you guys will get the exact color of this, or you guys will see it when you guys change your fluid. It's satisfying. I like strawberry syrup. Weird fun fact. This transmission fluid is not appealing smell. An appealing smell. Go over here and put this dipstick back in. Back in right here. Check the level. Okay. Obviously, the first one is always like the test one. So, so you gotta stick it back in there. Cool. Yeah. We're at the full mark when it's hot because the car was warm. It's warm, so we're at the full mark. And there you guys have it, you know what I'm saying? That's how you guys change your transmission fluid in basically any car. It's all the same process, honestly. But you just got to see how much your car specifically takes. Because your car might take more than what my car takes, you know what I'm saying? Different speed, like if this is a 4-speed automatic, you might have a 6-speed automatic, you might take more. But as far as it goes, that's pretty much it for the rest of this video. Like I said in previous videos, hit that subscribe button for more how-tos and hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned and all that. Hit the post notification so you know when I drop a new video. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Have a good one.